Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn. Today we will be looking at odd and even numbers. What are odd and even numbers? An even number is a number that can be divided into two equal groups. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are just a few. We could go on and on. An easy way to spot an even number is that in the units place, there will always be 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 0. For example, we could tell if this number is an even number by looking at the last digit. The last digit is 6. Therefore, 56 is an even number. Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided into two equal groups. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are just a few. We could go on and on. An easy way to find an odd number is that at the end of the number in the units place, there will always be a 1, 3, 5, 7, or a 9. For example, you can see if this number, 73, is an odd number by looking at the last digit. The last digit is 3. And we know that 3 is an odd number. So 73 is an odd number. Now that you know what odd and even numbers are, we will see what we get when we add two even numbers together. An example is 6 add 4. 6 is an even number and 4 is an even number. So we have 6 and we add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Then we look at the last digit to see if 0 is an even number. Remember, even numbers always end in 2, 4, 6, 8, and a 0. And 10 ends with 0, so it's an even number. Another example is 10 add 8. 10 is an even number and 8 is an even number. So we need to see if an even number adds an even number equals an even or an odd number. So 10 add 8. We have 10 and we add 8 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the answer is 18. Then we look at the last digit and see whether it is odd or even. You know that even numbers always end in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. And 8 is an even number. So therefore, 18 is an even number. Now we know that even add even equals an even number. Now we will do the same, but odd and odd numbers. So we have an example. 3 add 5. 3 is an odd number and 5 is an odd number. So 5 add 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. So we know that 8 is an even number. Another example is 11 add 7. 11 is an odd number and 7 is an odd number. So 11 add 7. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the answer is 18. When we go to the second digit, 8. As above 8, we know that 8 is an even number. So 18 is an even number. Now we know that odd add odd equals even. Now we are going to do odd add even. An example is 5 add 2. 5 is an odd number and 2 is an even number. We have 5 and we add 2 more. 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. You know that 7 is an odd number. Another example is 15 add 4. 15 is an odd number and 4 is an even number. So we have 15 and we add 4 more. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the answer is 19. We look at the last digit. You know that 9 is an odd number. So 19 is an odd number. Now we know that odd add even is an odd number. Now, I have some questions for you. It will be great if you have a piece of paper and pencil to write down the answers, or you could tell the answers to your parents. All you have to do is identify what numbers are odd and what numbers are even. Please pause the video and do them. Now, we will go through them together. Number 1, 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number because you know that odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Number 2, 6. 6 is an even number because you know that all even numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Number 3, 26. 26 is an even number because you know that at the end of an even number, it always ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 0. Number 4, 1 is an odd number because you know that odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Number 5, 0. 0 is an even number because you know that even numbers always end with 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 0. Number 6, 74. 74 is an even number because you know that even numbers always end with 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 0. Number 7, 12. 12 is an even number because you know that even numbers always end with 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 0. Number 8, 69. 69 is an odd number because you know that odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Number 9, 13. 13 is an odd number because you know that odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7, or a 9. Number 10, 51. 51 is an odd number because you know that odd numbers always end with a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, or a 9. If you get mixed up with odd and even numbers, you can always remember that the first odd number is 1, and odd and 1 start with O. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. I hope you now understand what odd and even numbers are. See you soon for our next video. Bye!